Hi, I'm Ryan Roullard, Documentation Manager for PreSonus. I was recently tasked with recording Josh Brumley for the most recent River City session shot in my backyard. We had another good old-fashioned acoustic guitar and vocal production to do here. That gives us a lot less to go wrong than with tracking a full band, of course. With that in mind, I chose the ioStation 24C as we really only needed 2 channels, though I did use a field recorder to capture some of the natural East Baton Rouge Parish ambiance since I like to lean into environmental recordings a bit. We're not in a studio, and I'm not out to fool anybody. To me, the real priority when working with an artist like Josh playing a song like this is to really make sure the lyrics are front and center. Now, while Josh's lyrics are the star of the show here, his guitar playing's no joke either, and of course we need to hear that clearly as well. That creates a bit of a puzzle with a song like this. The dynamic range of Josh's vocals goes from whisper quiet to nearly belting, while his guitar volume stays nearly the same. So what's the solution? First, I chose the PX1 microphone to successfully capture the air and breath of Josh's performance throughout every bit of his impressive dynamic range. Once I had successfully captured the performance, the processing solution was not to apply any sort of vocal rider or automation. I instead leveraged Tricomp from our analog effects collection to apply a 6:1 compression ratio to the vocals. Josh's quieter phrasing now comes across just as loud as his belting, but with no sharp volume spikes that distract listeners from the core of the song, which again is the lyrics. A couple of gentle, broad EQ boosts help push the vocal that much closer to the front, and a nuanced application of Tricomp saturation control added a bit of heat to his loudest notes, which I like a lot. The already great sounding guitar didn't require much, just a PM2 at the 12th fret position and a gentle EQ cut to remove some lower end murk that was going on, as well as a couple of boosts to bring in a little more finger and fret noise. It's interesting to note here that sometimes the most human elements of a guitar performance are not actually notes. A multi-band compressor and gentle limiter on the master bus wrapped up the production for a dash of transparent polish that, like the other decisions made here, support the art of the song without getting in the way. Kind of like how Studio One works. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and check out the description for links to the products used in this video and for more info on Josh Brumley on PreSonus Sphere. We'll see you next time for another River City session.
Something that I wanted when I'm older, and I wishing maybe I'd save my breath or hold a daughter or a child. Glad I'm no Lady Macbeth, and in my shrinking stature finally my feelings I will hold. I won't be lifeless, unwavering, crystal fractured soul when my time's out. Hope I go running like a good host. Say thanks for coming. It's been a pleasure. It's been appalling. We found joy somehow.